An emergency official said on Sunday that investigators are presuming that either a bird strike or deteriorating weather conditions caused a plane crash in South Korea, which killed 174 people. Local fire station chief Lee Jong-hyun told journalists in Muan that the exact cause will be determined by a further forensic and joint investigation.
He was speaking after Jeju Air's Flight 7 Charlie 2216, a Boeing 737-800, burst into flames after it skidded off a runway and slammed into a concrete barrier when its front landing gear apparently failed to deploy. Fire engulfed the aircraft that was carrying 181 people as rescuers scrambled to find any survivors at the crash site in the town of Muan, about 290 kilometers south of Seoul.
At least 174 people killed in one of the country's worst aviation disasters. Emergency workers pulled out 2 people, both crew members, and local health officials said they remain conscious.
이번 사고 원인은 버스 스트라이크 발생 현상 등 기상 악화 등으로 추정하고 있으며 정확한 원인은 주 관계기관과 합동 조사를 통해 발표할 예정입니다.